welcome to my channel, Inspired Birdie. Thanks for joining me today for a Dollar Tree haul. So yeah, I recently did a Dollar Tree run and I thought that I would share with you guys all of the different stuff that I got. A lot of this is stuff from the stationery section. All right, so let's get started. So to get started, I picked up a bunch of these stickers that are specifically for your planner. So these are the Jot brand. They all come with 58 counts, but they're planner stickers. And what I really liked about them is they're all like the same. So they're all good for themes. So I thought these would be really fantastic to use as a monthly theme. So like for example, all of August, I'll use one package. And then for the next month, I'll use another package. And they had more than this. These are just I picked up 4 packages and these are the 4 that I grabbed, but they definitely had more. Look at this one. It's like foil, sorry for the glare, and it's like ocean. And then the last one, and then for more kind of like DIY stuff, I also picked up this Deco Tape. This is found in their stationery section. I've hauled this type of tape before. It's like washi, but just really super thin. And I don't have this one, so grabbed this one. And then I thought this was fantastic for DIYs. So they have a lot of really cool toolkits. I always get questions when I'm doing DIYs on some of the different tools that I use, which are all from the Dollar Tree, just in their craft section. So this is a craft and glue scraper. This is also a repurchase as well. I've hauled these before on my channel, and I'll actually insert right here some pictures of what it looks like because I use these all the time. And guys, these are fantastic. I have had them on my kids' bedroom wall for over a year and they've never fallen off, and they're very easy to take off. So these are just butterflies, but I'm going to insert a clip here to share with you some of the other ones that I have. And then I picked up this hook. I've seen other people haul these. They do have a bunch of different designs. I was looking for the unicorn and I couldn't find it. So I grabbed this mermaid. I thought it would be really great in my kid's bathroom for hanging her bathrobe. But yeah, check out your Dollar Tree because they do have a lot of different ones. They have some really cute like cactuses as well. And I recently hauled their fabric. Super excited about Dollar Tree fabric because I do have a DIY coming out soon. So I went and picked up this checkered blue pattern for a fall DIY that I'm gonna be working on. But this is in the craft section. And then for some really cool, fun kids crafts, they have a lot of really great name brand. So starting off with this Disney princess. So this is a Disney name brand. And I've never seen it before. I've always seen the puzzles, but this is really cool. So this is actually a kit to make 2 fabric bracelets. And they had many different styles. I think a lot of the other one that I saw was Dory. But yeah, I thought that would be a lot of fun as a craft project. And then they had the Disney Mona package as well. Like guys, these would retail super expensive at places like Walmart, for example. So this is the Disney Mona. It comes with the markers and the book, which is, as you can see here, 62 pages of fun, 35 pages or 35 stickers and 8 markers. And then these Crayola brands are, for a fact, a really great find because I've been looking at these on Amazon and they retail for close to $10 Canadian. So the fact that we were able to find them at Dollar Tree for $1 is amazing. So these are the Crayola Color Wonder Mess Free packs. This is the Disney Vampira. And then I also picked up this Crayola Disney Frozen. Now my daughter's way too young for this, but I thought it'd make a really great gift down the road later on. So it's a color alive. And pretty much, I mean, the idea behind it is you color what comes in here and then you can scan it with your tablet and it comes alive. So super good, just fun activity for children. Sorry for the glare, guys. It's the light above. And then lastly, I picked up these Shopkins toothbrushes. I currently use them right now, so I thought I'd grab some other ones just to have. These are really great for stocking stuffers at Christmas time as well. And then just really lastly, I picked up some toilet paper. Now that is for a DIY for fall. And of course some treats, because if you follow my Dollar Tree hauls, I'm always grabbing the treats, and it's always about the super packs, because that is really where you're gonna get the best value. So this time it was the M&Ms and the large Kit Kat. Grab some Bugle Originals, which are usually always at the Dollar Tree, at least every time I go. And then the last item is this activity tray. I thought this would just be a really great idea for putting different things on for when your kids do an activity. So like paint, markers, crayons, whatever they might be. And they have these in different colors as well. But that's it, guys. That's my Dollar Tree haul for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And give it a thumbs up if you enjoy these. Sorry about the noise in the background. That's my daughter playing. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Love and peace to you all. Bye.